Mia, Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, so Edna North Mubia, was a Ghana Bakosem Wuno, while we are NDC for Nebeya Bakosem se Omokuta Domkesia, and Nijina, na Asaso, every woman answer. Penny Quanche for the G-Tech Yano, Esre University at Chef no, so Metiatia woman a woman, or more entrance and saying, no Monsaso, and Quajuma, and Concochre Adi. It was your four, we any Afro Pinoir, and at Yakikesi and Yan se Cassie. Now, young faster that Emma OCP Ghana Limited for one more and a day OCP fertilizer sabe gaswa a day petit and foodie so near the appetit no by so na aso doso a day amaye. The would beer say ye brew, say ye mo, say ye bean, say ye a dear na wood dear. We say o the OCP fertilizer be pit so na asokama a day amawo and I'll pay you any be our sorry ya any ma kwakwe sere walk foam no like I say OCP fertilizers here or the pit no by any so no send ye AC himba no akwakwe ye ni jenkwa say ya boom e kra ne abotemo and a we ukia no we say o the OCP fertilizers e be pit so na asokama a day amount ye wo e OCP NPK 15 or and your OCP NPK 10 20 10 ningina mpedifagia tum na ebuekua 4 pa baby a yetonto agrochemicals niema nyina obenya bi 0555909437 0555909437 and na Imi Pro Services and penning for a day businessmen businesswomen to kind ako China bonten so na watching more ye the more ako China kra ye friend say Guangzhou mo ko China no monim se kru ne kuta China mine no a e be dwedie ne factories no ne ade a honom ana mo businessmen ni pino a ewo enti ye the more ko na mo no ma kwa konya twaka so hu na mo ababe mo partners ya wo mo ebebo na osusu dwedie awudie no watimi etum pon ewo ho na we omoka bia be $2,499 na no utikiti ka ho wo China visa ka ho airport ene baby a obeda de obedie ene mo nanti kro no nyina Emi Pro Services mpedin for say eka ho enti so ani je ho a de hia ne so obefra wu num 0244924573 0244924573 and afeno so ekwa wiye bio ye ka mo say enyanka no wo mo bedidi womo ebese womo ebenum hwan na kata obakunafo anase bemekunafo na deja so eno nti ena Sompa chede be mfie miensa nie ye ba mo ncha brebia na ye ba so a monyimani emfa hinta yen afe no ekwa wieye ye se de kuta obia se ye nkwada ntade nkwada mpaboa aduane se ye emo se ye ti tomato se ye sade de ode madasenia na ni bagibro nyaimu no eno ena Sompa yesremu se ne afi bia mo ne ye no no yen kamoma fi na ekunafo ne nyanka no yemfasiriye enso mafunumu ebia wo de ndi opeso ye ni sika eno so betimi de afa 0598559802 0598559802 edi ebeba Tarawan Media na se Blessed Foster busia unum ena ataye chia no peya baby a wo bia na yetimi abana ya ba besomo medino ense sign na ya obo amalibia bogabsia for yenye bray na finsem no yenkomo ankasa emfa emmamo yedemo ehase e de every Ghana mrasebe fiem na NDC mrasebe fo a wono ewo mrasebe fiem ena wo esre Ghana man se yenta wono machi na yensa so enter Speaker of Parliament echi na de nano ya wa de sim mrasebe fiem a Speaker epam mrasebe fo ben nine efrim mrasebe fiem hono no sa nhyehyɛ ne samra no enya adwuma sense ye beka se court bi ti ba bia akwa dane asem no emenne ne ani enim se ye mra enne ne kwaso no eno no eba befiri wono ma ndi semraso ejafo no eka bomanura awia be no mienu yensantwefo nhyiemu a wono mo esre Ghana fo nyina sienta Speaker of Parliament echi na sane mraso eja adwuma sitie no entena hono mo sa ndi semraso ejafo no nsem eni.
The NDC now constitute the majority caucus in this 8th parliament. We will jealously protect our new majority status and will not bow, retreat, nor surrender our lawfully earned status.
Yes. Yes.
I repeat, fellow countrymen and women, the NDC now constitute the majority caucus in this 8th parliament. We will jealously protect our newly majority status and will not bow, retreat, nor surrender our lawfully earned status.
Yes.
We will also not abdicate our responsibility to the people of Ghana, no matter what. Nothing, absolutely nothing, will change this position. We are fortified that the proceedings of Parliament shall not be impeached or questioned in any court or placed out of Parliament. Any interference with the business of Parliament is unlawful, unacceptable, and shall be resisted. We have never hidden our position that we are in Parliament for the ordinary people of Ghana. It is indeed true that we will use our new majority numbers to benefit Ghanaians by introducing private members' bill to remove the e-levy and to reduce the suffering of the people of Ghana. It is also true that we will use our new majority to remove the betting tax and other nuisance taxes. Already, this NPP government has made Ghana a high tax regime, and that it is affecting the survival of businesses and the people of Ghana. We assure you that we will use our new majority to protect businesses and the people of Ghana, as we have always maintained. We are confident that the Right Honourable Speaker has acted fairly, firmly, and lawfully in a matter that is perfectly within his province. Speaker Bagbin has had a distinguished and unprecedented 32-year career in Parliament of Ghana. Right Honourable Alban Bagbin is a courageous and resolute leader. We stand with him, pledge our support, and urge him to protect the dignity and sanctity of the Parliament of Ghana. In the same vein, we call on Ghanaians to stand by the Speaker and resist oppressors' rule.
Observe ye NDC mraswe geni owo mraswe ye fiema this year wo adwumako enye nese ma baton pesua so ewo mfimfi mantemo Dr. Kesel Atoba Forsen na yete nenken na saasem kro ya ho no Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia so edna no akwakotumu bi wabra we ne se Ghana bakosem wo no NDC amanyuku ni NDC mraswe gyafo no na aya bakosem se wo mo ebeye dom kese a eni gina saatumi no efri wo nsem ewo my Ghana yamanyo semne yemra sebe dwumedi a wo mo ediemo Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ede sansemi etudwa wabra okọ nkokọ abaton pesu aso nkokọ kronum ekoye campaign kobontoa na ode sansemu etudwa ewo honom
ehia paase yetu abanoma Dr. Bawumia but ehia more so say yetu abamano Emma Joseph Frimpong because you pay parliamentary majority and yes sir ye ko munim said the TSC omo high no 137 enra echi omo ye ade bi wo parliament ka say omo ni majority samotie anyway omo ya 24 hours majority anja bia baby 24-hour majority no omo nya the shortest living majority that I know of in history. 24-hour majority. Now, now, at the end, I want to say, me person mo tie say, who per majority come to the polling station, come to the constituency, win an election, and then go to Parliament.
Observe we a Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ni yete nenke we yemra na odine campaign ni na probo akwakopie epoema ntemu enkokwa bonten so na ode sansemi ekotudwa Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh eye mraswe geni obo mraswe ge fiema desia o menhia South Abaton pesua so na yetu apemu ede ama MPP amanyuku no na Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia na je so mumienu na ekabom akwakoprema mpede adwa no ede ama MPP amanyuku na America bonten so na University of Memphis etonsa ede Fred Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh so mekasa emfa Ghana yengomasua bebi ayaba bedru ene free SHS ya MPP abaye ede baye no emfa so a enya ewo omayimu na ehonom na Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh de to abrofo nanim se so don for ya domu a December bosom de to so Ghana for ekwakoto aba na yeto aba de wi a kwan bia so Vice President ya oboama free SHS baye na aba betena se na nkwadam pimpim akire pimpim enya so emfa so no obedi omayi so no de nhihie piegu akwam amaboa Ghana manyina Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh.
The goal of making a meaningful difference in the lives of those we serve. I'm not only excited to be here, but also thrilled to meet the beneficiaries of this program, especially from Africa, at least. And I'm hearing that we are going to grow great warmth and happiness. I was particularly pleased to read about half or 2 weeks ago that the University of Memphis was in Ghana updating this, that is the Royal Majesty, the King, his running mate. We had to visit Memphis at this crucial time in our election campaign, but we believe this is worthwhile because the discussion we'll have here is equally central and important to the party's agenda of forging the needed partnerships, especially in education for the benefit of our people. I'm delighted to address you generally on the gains we've made in the education sector with emphasis on implementing national policy for education access and equity. This speaks to my heart in a very personal way.
Observant Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe and Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia Kampomu apre mampeni eja de ama NPP amanyuku no yera Francis Asenso Boache mrasebe dwani o mrasebe dwafie desia o bantima baton peso aso no akro no a ene saso osofo a Ghana ya kwantimpo yie ene akwantimpo ho nsensem ohweso na yera Francis Asenso Boache de adesre ato teki aban nanim ene adesie free teki gina se braso se omuno o my Ghana to kese na mpuntu na kunyekwetibro ne kan se investment womo ebeye bi owo mayimo or the sounds to me to jawabra na dwabo kese bi ekoso efadwadie ene amama nkitawudie ho nsensem and odia desre wi eto teki aban no anim.
Minister for Roads and Highways in Ghana, I firmly believe that infrastructure, especially roads and highways, is one of the most essential areas requiring investment to unlock Africa's future potential. Africa's economic future depends on improving connectivity, facilitating trade, and enhancing movement of people and goods across borders and regions. In Ghana, we have prioritized road infrastructure, recognizing that it's not just a mode of transportation, but a vital driver for economic growth and development. As the global economy looks towards emerging markets for growth, Africa stands out as a symbol of progress. Ghana, for instance, has embarked on ambitious projects to modernize the transport system, enhance agricultural productivity, and increase digital connectivity.
Observe we yera Francis Asenso Boache wo yemraswe dwani o mraswe dwafie desia o bantima baton peso aso minister o hwe Ghana ye rules ho ensensem na Professor Ahmed Jinapo wono ane yepene kwanchefo eda Ghana Tertiary Education Commissioner etwanitia efanese GTech ya nom na mbeka hye ne so a be na watch mienu nie na achechefo mo kirade wo Ghana yesu apon mu wo mo ade omunkuku no mo nkaka gufom a sie de mo kase wo mo etifie ne nyina ye galamse nsem ya omu se mampeni na nado danko akufado de wo ye ede esi ano no wo fom na wo se ode ne nan esi fom ne nkosi se mampeni betu saa anamo ne saa asa no enya de wo mo bekọ adwuma no makọ akọchira de eno na prof extra chechefo a omo chade organize your pon so besre wonum ada sekutujugu for mensa dansem de suma wo sema pacho omo informal strike ne mrawiye no mo sanko lecture halls enko chire nkola na de ne basa na ne ekosibro ne kan educational calendar no na yakọ akose kra prof adesre eni.
We therefore wish to call on all unions under the ambit of GTech to use dialogue and discourse as the avenue for resolving all grievances. Strike, being the last resort, should not be evoked at the slightest opportunity. Ghana has an enviable, relatively guaranteed tertiary educational structure that needs no jeopardize. It is on this note that I use this platform to call on our colleague UTAG members to, as a matter of urgency, call off their ongoing strike, notwithstanding their legitimate calls for the end of galamsey in this country.
Observe Professor Ahmed Jinapo Abdullah yepene kwanchefo a oda GTech ya no na odia desire we to achechefo mo kirade we yesu aponsuapon hodo no se ne kire ya o mo strike no o mo entwe emfa ensensen yetoa ensem no so na Dr. Eric Odro sai wono so na yepene kwanchefo eda internal Audit Agency ano na wasrada se aka dena Ghana for ye ko ni akwa akotoaba osisi ye ka enkabia kwati se ya kabebo some ene fanesa na ye kwa akotoaba afimu na obesre se ya chartered accountant for no ni accountant for no wo susu no asumgede wuru wo mu bobia eyeye so mani mu anwu a wo be dai na nkontane jese ehom pempra wade wo matimi aye ento obesre chartered accountant for ni nyina se sabre ya aka bosome ne fa ene kakrami akwa akoto abai bebi omu be hia bia bebi omu be gina bia omo ehwese asumdwe hu de wuru omo ebebobie.
Accountants are not only there to audit financial statements or prepare financial statements. The advice is that be apolitical in your professional practice. However, be professional. Work to ensure peaceful elections in Ghana.
For Dr. Eric Odrosai, Internal Audit Agency, one penny kwanche for Edano, Nenuchi, and a Vice President here, Oda Institute of Chartered Accountants Ghana, no, Dr. Cynthia Sala Sosono, Edekakra, Eso, Ninsem Noso.
We would be expected to exhibit ethical leadership, be it in the professional or secular environment. Ethical leadership has evolved over the years. Some years back, observing the law and following cultural norms and decency was enough and considered ethical.
For a chartered accountant for Mujumedi Cassia Womo Edie and Asansem we echo PP ewo ase afi formal and call West Africa Examination Council Womatraye Nanu ya and Asamaka Shenenswa a baby tuja se ye money in kumano aquacotro a BC exams no a basic education certificate examination a friend say a BC no one more aquacotro na omo etro omo aquacotro na jese munsem p why for tresu and I bind the one moka a kebia kekem sabia mamitia a bed in a sense so in a crano on bit mashaman kolana aquacotro and pese one more area at a chair for the examiners not so na would amake and found ne ohawa a chassis be muninano why comparing for the ababe to gasen so no one more amake area say yenemo kase o mo ede hunsun so ababe to be gasre da koda bia ochuro bibia no efri samre ye koi obetimi akọ na wakọ akọhwe de wunya ye ne baabi a wugina se beye na obetimi atoa so akọ wanim na chese secondary school education no so akọ akonya bie one more chese se okeka ne mesi ani a chese enkwala yese womo eye niamo hosem na omubu waye kenhyehye so a womo ensohwe no womo atwea sensan na eye makomako aduanan baako 41 eye candidate and ase no mo kase womo ensohwe ne de West Africa Examination Council waye campaign for chese womo etwa mu kra womo susu a ebia baako mienu bi susu no matwea sensan no na nyina West Africa Examination Council campaign for de atudwa achichimu ya ni nyina no efiri ne koya koda bia ebetimi akọ na wakwakohe ba bia ogina yento asone yemfa kase ne enkowie ewo eye kwawu abonten so ebzanfo ababeto dwa efiri fiada ne ba no a ena ebeto dwa se na na kwawu man hene ayi mpedimfo a esi hene tu hene ewo kwawu na na matra nkonyansa seso echese odifin ababeka omakonya kese no eno ntoma ya amamre ne amane etwajan yapaya sisi womo arore na mu mpaboa womo etu no ade so na sani yesi ko ye pa ewo ko abonten so na busiafo yenko na
akwa mo abache bejensa akwa mo abache bejensa no ya so bejensa no ya ma bejensa akwa mo ko bejensa ko mo tutu bejensa ku fiata mo bejensa na ku fiata mo bejensa anano madaroma ku bi bejensa o kasha bejensa aka su bejensa obunya mitete tu bejensa pa tu ba bejensa pro bejensa obunya bejensa aka su bejensa so fra bejensa obunya bejensa obunya bejensa anano madaroma e frema no pa ya nya ko ya yura asepre akwa mo Japan o no to so mi ese bia babe na otwe ko na otwe mi nanum ya wona no kwasem nyame anim ne ekoso anim ye nyan hu be hia se na nanum be tra ase atran konwa aye to ahene si ahene ananom atena ase adwen hu se ye pasomdwe okoma mu de the diet koso krofo kuru amanso nyina o de wonti bida ne de ya atena ase hu se yansi da ase bre fom a kwasem nyame anim asomdwe emakro
Abzanfo nti we ye nananom atena nkonya omo wokọ ya omo si hene tu hene na omo ye womo amamre ne amane na dasebre ehwiamoa Japan toso mienu womo etunade so ne nyina eyese ono ebo chairman eda ADB bank ya no na nsensem a ebe foroforo ne ho so wura bia odi nanim koje bosia ne sika ho nsem no ekoye pi no a no mfi se saade no hene ne ye no edifi ababeka womo ekuru no ene wonoma akonya no a ene munyamu a akonya no ho no womo emana enkosa akwa womo ya amamre ne amane egunse yi apaye etunade so nanso se ene mo kasei da sebre ekwamoa Japan toso mienu ono soso ede krata aba bonten ahimfie ede krata aba bonten se saade no a ekoso no magana for ye man ye ntu na konya so oda so edi ade ehwe kokuru no so sene ne nananom edi eja no pepepe busu asemi akwakoye besepa ene kunia han ye beta sene benyansafo ye nyina we sunu emfa kase no ensia sei na ye nsoso mo manhene ensa so entrance bio emfa de ache bia dwumadi ento amoso akoso yasomo a ene chinchin fidie ndi mamia no pay David Chan ne ko ba jesi sempremo ene David nom so na etebiri ye de ko TV no so mede ede na ya abo amalibi aboga no pay so no ya sa so amamachia